Alright guys, I am now in the shop. Okay, I got the video, but this is like a weird complaint. Not weird, simple. The driver's side, passenger side window will not go up and down. Now, as you can see, this window goes up and down. So, but when I push this switch, absolutely nothing is moving, guys. It's not moving, guys. Let me see will it move from this switch. Nothing. So it's like it's dead. I don't know. But that's what I'm here to find out. Now, because this is like a 2018, I say, there's a module for both doors. Yes, driver's side door module and a passenger side door module. Okay, knowing that. So it all starts with having a basic understanding of the vehicle you're working on, guys. So now I personally know that there's a door module for each door. You, on the other hand, might not know that. So if you have to, you need to get to some type of media, service manual or something to find this stuff out. That's why I say, man, the newer these cars get, the harder it becomes for the DIY guy. And without a scan tool, you're going to have a hard time diagnosing stuff like this. All right, now, I am aware that these door modules exist. I'm also aware that they're on the bus, which means I should be able to read them using a scan tool. So that's what we're going to do actually right now. So let me hook my scan tool up, guys, and let's go to a computer and find out what we can find out. Let's get it. All right, guys, we're back. I have the topology pulled up. Oh, it's a 2018 Dodge Challenger with a 3.6. All right, guys, now as you know, I see some red, but as you know, yellow indicates trouble codes in these perspective module, but red indicates absolutely nothing. Like that module is totally off the bus. And guys, PDM stands for passenger door module, and that is the module, that is the window we're having problems with. Okay, so because that's all, I got to get this to turn yellow or blue before I can go any further. All right, so if the module's dead, I got to find out why the module's dead. But until then, I'm stuck. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is gain access to this. It's inside the door panel. But first thing we can do, we can check the simplest, easiest things. Now let's check our fuses, guys. Now this car, I think, equipped. Let's go back to the car because we need to find out if the module is being fed. There's a fuse that protects just about every module in this car, and this power passenger door module is no exception. All right, so let's go back to the car, guys. Ooh, righty, guys. Like I say, this is a 3.6 Pentastar. Ooh, tip them. Okay, I doubt door module. I doubt anything body related would be in this. I'm not sure this is a tipple. This may just be a fuse box. I know a typical fuse box, just a transfer of power. I don't know, what did the 2018 model year do? It changes, guys. So, but I don't think any body related fuse protection device is under the hood. Now, I'm already aware that there's two fuse boxes on a typical LX body car, Challenger, Chargers, stuff like that. There's another fuse box in the trunk. So I am gonna go check that one, guys, because that's highly suspect there's no body protection device fuses in that fuse box. Let's go to the trunk, guys. All right, guys, here we are. I'm in the trunk now. So here's the fuse box I was speaking about. This is likely where those body module fuse will be located. We're trying to find out why power door module, no, passenger door module not on the bus. And I have no way of knowing which fuse protect the module, so we're gonna do what we're supposed to do, read the cover. All right, now y'all may can't see because there's a light blaring you. According to this, let's see, looks like where is it? Okay, according to this, look like F1. Is that F1? F11. F11 is power door. F11 is passenger door module. That's what I need. Man, where is F11? F11, according to this, should be right here on the end. Yes. Alright, let's see if this fuse blown on the end. Wait a minute. Yeah, on the end. Hey, ain't no freaking damn. Ain't no fuse in here, guys. Holy crap. Alright, I don't know. Now I'm worried. Why ain't there a fuse in here? I mean, did somebody pull it out? This fuse not blown. It's just literally missing. Okay. I want to do this. Now, I've heard of instances where people will pull their fuse if their window continue to move without command, because eventually you can run your battery down. Let me swap. Let me find which one of these fuses are not important. Okay, this fuse right here on the end. I'm gonna pull this fuse out. It don't matter, guys, what rating it is. We're just trying to test the circuit. Let me set that right here. Now, let's go back to the scan too. Alrighty, guys, as you can see, hey, my box turned from red to okay, so before you guys take note of this, before you start busting your brain trying to figure out why a module's off the bus, remember, guys, it has to have a power supply and a ground. In this case, this passenger door module did not have power supply, obviously, because the fuse was blown. Now, there are obviously codes inside of this module because it is now yellow. Let's go to this module and see what these codes are. DTC. Okay, guys, pause switch stuck. You know what that means? And it's active. The pause switch is part of the latch, guys. We're going to eventually end up needing a latch. Let's look at this diagnostic passenger door module. Yeah, that's what we want right here. Let's see. Okay, here's the code B25B42A. Y'all know what a lot of people like to do. First thing, we look at possible causes. Now, what could possibly cause that code is door handle inside or outside is sticking. Door handle sticking could cause that code. Passenger window drop switch sense circuit short to ground. Now, that sense is actually built onto the latch, guys. Or you could literally have a passenger door latch assembly internally shorted out. And last but not least, a door module itself could cause that problem. And I'm glad they put that on the bottom because that is the least likeliest of your cause. Now, guys, I highly suggest you follow the diagnostic, okay, in order to check for this DTC. And it's active, so the check should be fairly easy. Let's go a few things. Number one, they want you to turn the ignition on with a scan to create a vehicle scan report. They want to see what the modules are. Open and close the door several times from the outside. Wait 30 seconds, then scan it again. See if it come back active. If the code is active, go to step 2. Step 2, check the door handle inside out and outside for sticking. Now, let's just hypothetically say your handle is not sticking. All right. Does either handle tend to stick? Let's go with no, because if the answer is yes, they simply want you to repair the reason for its sticking. All right, we're going to pick no. Check the passenger side door latch assembly. How do you do that? Okay, with a scan to erase the DTCs, disconnect the passenger door latch connector. With the scan to read the PDM DTCs. Now, they want you to read the code, basically unplug it and see what code you get. Okay. Is the DTC active? If the answer is no, then it's simple. Replace the passenger door latch assembly, guys. That's where we're leading to right there. That's exactly what I'm gonna find. But hypothetically, if the DTC active, if the answer is yes, then you have wiring problem. So it's fairly simple, guys. If you unplug it and the code is not active, you need a door latch assembly, because that assembly is actually what's triggering the code. And I would say this, yes, that will make your window not work up and down. All right. So anything else is wiring related, guys. So that's what I'm gonna end up doing. I'm gonna end up replacing the latch assembly. All right, but first, let's go to the door. Yep, no sticking, guys. Open and close like it should. So we have a problem with this latch sync signal. All right guys, so I'm gonna write up an estimate on this latch assembly.